All right, Pablo with 4M Therapeutics.
Thank you. 20 years ago at a pharmaceutical company, I helped advance a new and safer medicine for mental health. It got approved. My cousin took it. It saved his life. That's the type of impact we can have now with new medicine and new science at 4M Therapeutics. 8 million people in the US have bipolar disorder. It doubles healthcare costs. It brings 20 times the number of suicides. We've got to help. Only one medicine reduces suicide, only one. It's lithium. But lithium is a metal. As a metal, it damages kidneys. After only 3 years of use already, 25% of people who take lithium have moderate to severe kidney disease. So they go to other drugs. Every other drug has the FDA's strictest safety warning, a warning that every ad reflects an increase in death. The solution is a new medicine, 4MT-2001, the same target as lithium, but better kidney safety. It starts with Eli Lilly. 20 years ago, they developed a drug called ruboxystarin as a pill, and they gave it to 2,000 people, and they saw good safety. It was for a very different indication. They stopped developing when a new competitor came to market. We discovered later that the human body was converting ruboxystarin into a drug that was ideal for a totally different use, bipolar disorder. We call it 4MT-2001 because it has 4MT, our name. We have the intellectual property to advance this into clinical development. It increases brain protein activity much greater than lithium. It's more potent than lithium on animal behavior. High exposures are tolerated with no kidney toxicity, and we're ready for a clinical trial in 2026. It's a large market. We can get $3 billion in yearly US peak sales. We can get even more by going worldwide and by going into other indications where lithium has a benefit, depression and potentially Alzheimer's disease. Lithium has been in the news for its potential to help people with Alzheimer's disease. What we have promises to be more potent and safer. We will likely partner with or be acquired by a large pharmaceutical company. Here, 6 small neuroscience biotech companies all did major deals with large pharmaceutical companies, and every deal was over $1 billion. We've already raised $8.5 million from great angel investors. We're going to raise $1.7 million more, and then the clinical trials in 2026 to 2028 will be funded by venture capital. In 2028, that's when we'll have specific evidence of 4MT-2001 in people with bipolar disorder that could support a $1 billion deal. I have been in this business 29 years. I've gotten drugs approved. I was a vice president at Bristol Myers Squibb and chief medical officer at Lexicon Pharmaceuticals. Steve Haggerty recently got tenure at Harvard Medical School because his research is world-class, and we're proud of every member of this team. We have current traction. We have the top psychiatrists in America, experts in bipolar disorder on our advisory board. We have 25 pharmaceutical executives investing in us and 2 institutional investors too. So we have the vision. We're starting with bipolar disorder, and then we'll expand. We have the science, a targeted approach allowing for better safety, and we have the team that can get it done. Please join us to help advance safer medicine for mental health. Thank you very much.